In this video, I will show you how to create QR code in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open that specific file that you want to create a QR code for. So for example, I want to create a QR code for my Microsoft presentation. So just open this, and then in here, go ahead and click on the Home tab, and under that, go ahead and click on the add-ins. Now under this, go ahead and search for QR. So in the results, click on this and then click on the add button at the right side of that. Now make sure to accept and continue the terms and conditions of that specific add-on. Now once you have added that, you will be able to find that on the right side of your screen. So we'll try to reopen that again into our device. Now we'll need to wait. Now in here, what you'll need to do, since what we want to do is to generate a QR code for this specific file, we'll need to set this into web URL. So just scroll down and set it to web URL. And once you have set that into web URL, you would be able to generate a QR code for your presentation. So we'll set this up into web URL. Now, as you can see in here, it requires a license key to be able to generate a QR code for this specific file. That's basically how you can create QR code in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.